Trying to avoid the copyright, you gotta sing it. Oh, sometimes the rain's gonna wash away, I believe it. Yeah. Milwaukee versus the Steel TS420. What do you think, Dad? Who's gonna win? Well, I'll tell you what. Red light flashing, yep. Nice. Thing cranks! Cool thing, Dad, is you can go like this. I like how quick it stops too, hitting that button. We'll watch my video and then they'll be like, wow, I can't believe you're using your level for that. Morning, dude.
Morning.
How you living?
Alright.
That looks really good, dude.
Hey.
Thank you for coming early. I slept till like 8:30.
Did you?
No. Come on. Business owners can't do that. I like how that turned out. Bang, bang. I like how that's turning out. Be another scorcher today, pal.
Yep.
Low 90s again today.
Feels humid.
Yeah, it does, dude. While you keep setting the border, I'm gonna dry lay the other side so I can make cuts.
Sick.
Just get right back into it, guys. Say hi to the camera first.
Hi, camera.
Ben's finishing up the cap. Let's get everything fit. He's just gluing it. Cut came out really good. Once you cut the pavers, it's actually a good example. I'll show you the different aggregates they use. Pretty much every paver manufacturer now does like 3/4 of the paver is a bigger aggregate, and then they put a thin layer of more fine aggregate with color. That helps protect against the color fading. You can really see it when you cut through a paver, what I'm talking about. So they throw a top layer down with finer aggregate. It makes it less porous and it holds on to the color better. And then the bottom layer is what gives it its strength, with the bigger pieces of aggregate mixed in with the concrete. But I don't know if it's the saw, probably maybe a little bit the saw, but mostly the blade that they gave me with that saw. But I did that entire inner radius really smooth, and about, I don't know, 7/8 of them I could cut in place. It's not a super tight inner radius. I've had to cut a lot tighter, but it's definitely an inner radius where sometimes with a big saw blade, as you're cutting forward, the back of the blade kicks left into the pavers behind it, which ruins your nice crisp line. But that didn't happen with the saw. The one they gave me, it's definitely, the blade's thinner than the ones I usually use, and I'm wondering if that was a big difference in helping with that, so I could cut it in place. But I'm definitely really impressed by that saw. So Ben's gonna finish gluing that cap. Is it done?
I just got 1, 2, 3.
A few more. Once he finishes gluing that cap, he's gonna start bordering this side. And while he does that, I'm gonna go down there. I'm gonna cut the asphalt at the line that I want it to be at, and then excavate and prepare the base down there so we can screed and lay some more pavers. How you doing over here, pal? I am excavated. Just gotta do the backfilling now. Ben's making his way downtown. Yeah, I must be lonely, huh? Lonely, baby. Trying to avoid the copyright, you gotta sing it. Oh, sometimes the rain's gonna wash away, I believe it. Yeah. Looks good, dude. Looks really, really good, pal.
It's coming.
Yeah. I'm gonna put you on time lapse.
Alright, so everyone can say, oh, poor Benny.
Yeah, poor Benny. Guy's sweating. Tell me how you feeling, bud. Dad, it is steaming out today. It's been hot for 3 days, but I think, no, was it 3 days? Yeah, Tuesday, Wednesday, today. Today's the worst out of the 3. 100%. I'm making up some concrete. This one's made by Vitacrete. Usually more gravelly, but it looks like a couple good bags there, pal, huh?
That's still pretty gravelly.
more permeable.
There you go.
There you go. Ben's got this edge right here all dug out. See there, we have a trench to sit the concrete in, and we're also a few inches lower than the paver, and that way we can have a nice thick amount of concrete at the bottom, and we're just going to slope it right up to about an inch below the top of the paver. I'm going to throw you guys on time lapse with him, and you can see how he does that. It is getting even hotter out, no doubt about it. We're supposed to time lapse concrete in the edge, didn't happen. No one hit the go button. I love how you're just like carrying the camera around with you as you go and it's not even on.
Didn't even notice.
It's awesome. I got all the pavers laid down here. It's time to put the border on and trace it, cut it, all that stuff. It is severely hot, guys. I really was hoping to be able to get the majority of this walkway done today. We still might, but this sun's really kicking our butt, I'm not gonna lie. All the edge cuts are done. Still getting hotter. Oh, bud, you're about to be in the shade.
Hey, hey.
Ben is gonna finish up the border, concrete the edges and stuff. I gotta go to Kamasi before they close, return all the extra pavers so that I can come back and get the machine, and we're gonna try to get this done and concreted today. Obviously not poly sand. And if anybody's wondering, probably used a battery and a half to do this entire right side and I don't know, half of this side. Not bad. Not bad. It's definitely a little bit heavier than the steel. I honestly almost used the steel to do these last cuts because I'm tired. That battery's heavy and it's right on the back, you know what I mean? So it's kind of like you're holding the weight of that battery the entire time you're cutting. I mean, it's not horrible, it's definitely manageable. I made it happen. And if it was like 75, I probably wouldn't be complaining, but 95,
Hello.
it's hot. So what's up, everybody? We're here a few days later from when we last filmed. The job's done. I did poly sand and touching up with topsoil and stuff like that around the edges off camera. Let me show you what it looks like. Did a little bit of weeding in the beds. All these edges got loam and grass seed. Inside edge has loam, no grass seed, obviously. Steps and the landing came out good. So as far as concreting the edges and the poly sand, if you guys want to know more about that, I got a few videos of each of those on my channel, but I'll leave a couple links in the description below if you want to learn more about that part of the process. But sometimes I just gotta keep the camera off and get these jobs done. Came out mint though. Again, it's always hard to tell on camera, but this is a very sloped walkway. I'd say from the driveway up to the highest point is probably about 13 to 15 inches higher. So that's a lot of drop, but it works out great. Now the customer can use his snow blower to clear the walkway in the winter. Poly setting up nicely. And those cuts came out good. Travis is actually here. He's in the backyard just kind of smoothing some things out. We'll see what he thinks when he comes back around. Trav, ¿qué pasa? You ready for this summer?
Yeah.
First job. Easy one.
Yeah.
Now it's time for disc golf.
Yep.
What do you think about the walkway?
It's a nice walkway.
Not too
Big
bad.
slope though.
Yeah, it's heavily sloped. For sure. He had a couple concrete steps, but he wanted to be able to snow blow it in the winter.
Yeah.
You think it would have turned out better if you were here the whole time?
No.
At least you're honest. I thought you were gonna say yes. Well, hey, you just said hi to these guys. You want to say goodbye to these guys? You guys know the deal. Oh wait, hey, let me show you that saw before I say goodbye to these guys. Let me know what you think of it. Look at this battery.
It's a big battery.
It's like a car battery, right? Go ahead, smack it in there. Feel it. I don't think the battery clicked. Hold on. There we go. What do you think of
Heavy
it?
saw.
It is, right? It's because of the battery.
It's huge. It's a big saw.
Yeah. Yeah. It worked out pretty good, but it's back heavy. The steel is a little bit more balanced in the middle.
Yeah.
You know?
That's where all the weight is.
Yeah. But anyway, yeah, there's the saw. Now say goodbye to these people. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that like and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know what you think about that saw. But you already know the deal. Till the next one, God bless. Peace.